Okay, guys, so today we're going to take a look at questions number 4 and 5 of our article, World Wonders Worn Down. We are still looking at, or taking a closer look at the mysterious Moai in Easter Island. So question number 4 says, look at the photo and read the caption. What details about the statue in paragraph 4 does the image also show? So if I take a look at the caption and the photo, which I know that some of you are having a hard time seeing, and some of your reading material doesn't have the caption under the photo. So I have provided it here for you so you could see it. This right here is the caption. And if you could see, it says, shifting soil has partially buried this group of Moai. So we learned from reading the article the other day that the Moai only have their heads sticking out, but they do have torsos that are buried underneath the ground. So in this photo, we can see that the heads are sticking out, and the caption is letting us know that the ground around it has shifted and buried the rest of the Moai underground, so that their bodies are underneath and their heads are sticking out. So if we go back and take a look at question number 4, it says, what does the caption tell you about what you see in the photo? Well, the caption is telling us that we are taking a look at the photo of the Moai with their heads sticking out, and that we are now know that the rest of their bodies are underground. Okay, so what did you see in the photo that supports what you read in the text? Well, we saw that the ground around it is burying the Moai head, the Moai body, sorry, and the heads are sticking out. So that is what the caption is showing us, and that is what the picture is helping us figure out. So now you should be able to answer the question. Look at the photo and read the caption. What details about the statues in paragraph 4 does the image also show? So we need to restate that. The details about the statues in paragraph 4 that the image shows explains why, and you can finish it from there, okay? Your citation is going to be what the caption says. And the caption says, shifting soil has partially buried this group of Moai. So that is going to be what you cite. Okay, you can pause and finish question number 4. Question number 5. Find details in the text that suggest it is possible to preserve the statues. So if we go back to the text, there are some things that give us some clues about how we can preserve these statues. In the text it says, being covered actually helps the statues. How does keeping the torso of the Moai underground preserve them? And why would one of the best preserved Moai be the one that is on exhibit in the British Museum in London? So we already know that these statues are being affected by the weather in Chile, and that is why we are only seeing partial statues from this point on, because the weather is affecting them and it is making them being buried underground. And the way to preserve them is to actually dig them up and put them in museums, or by leaving them in leaving their bodies underground, we are preserving them so that we can still see what they look like in the future. So if we take a look at the question, well, that's question number 6. If we take a look at the question, it says, find details in the text that suggest it is possible to preserve the statues. Here is your details in the text. It's right here. Okay, so being covered actually protects them. What else protects them? Oh, putting them on exhibit in the museums also protects them, because if they are in the museum, then they are not being weathered away. Okay, guys, that is questions numbers 4 and 5. Remember to use race, and remember to hit the turn in button. All right, bye.